Welcome to Avarion Dining Global. When was the last time you let nature calm your mind? In the rush of daily life, it's easy to forget that peace is waiting just outside. The trees grow tall without hurry, the rivers flow without struggle, and the sky stretches wide without demand. Nature does not force, it simply is. When you step into nature, something shifts inside you. The noise of the mind begins to quiet, and even your breathing becomes slower and lighter. It feels as if the world is reminding you how to return to balance. The forest, the sea, the mountains, each of them carries a rhythm of patience and renewal. They teach us that rest is natural, that slowing down is part of life, and that peace is not something we must chase, but something we return to. And in these moments, we remember, we are not separate from nature. We are part of it. Its peace is also our peace, and its rhythm is already within us.
Avarion Dining Global, where desire meets discovery. Step inside and let the unknown enchant you.
So the next time you feel heavy or lost, step outside. Let the wind, the trees, and the open sky remind you that peace has always been waiting in nature and in you. Now, sit back and let the visuals take you away.